Practice exam questions, questions 1, 2 and 3. For this first question here, we want to express in scientific notation. So scientific notation, we always have one digit on one side of our decimal place and the rest all on the other side here. So we're wanting our decimal place to go here, between a 1 and a 2. So here we're jumping once and twice. So this one will be 1.2542. We've jumped twice, so times 10 to the power of 2. For our next one, we're going to jump once, twice, 3 times here. So 3.5 times 10, and see we were going towards the left and it's positive. Here we're moving towards the right and we're having a negative power of 3. For our next question, we jump once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. So we have 5.69 times 10 to the power negative 4. Negative less than 0 and positive greater than 0. Here we're jumping once, twice, here 8.05 times 10 to the power of 2. For question 2, we're wanting to round off the following numbers to the number of significant figures that we have indicated in the brackets. So this first one, we have 4 significant figures. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 significant figures. We then look at our fifth one to see if it is 5 or above, we round up. Or here we have number 3, so we're just going to leave it as it is. So we'll have 18.02. For our next one here, we've got 2 significant figures. So 1, 2, we look at our next number and we have 493. So even though it's 49, we still leave this as a 6, only if this number is actually 5, we round up. So here we have 86,000, and that's to the 2 significant figures. For our next one here, we've got 1, 2 significant figures. We look at our third figure here. It's a 4, so we leave them as they are here, and we have 5100, and we don't have to put the decimal places as they're not part of our significant figures there. For number 4, we have 3 significant figures, 1, 2, 3. Our next number is a 3, so we leave it as it is. So we have 749, and we fill in those 2 3s with zeros, and we don't need to do the decimal place there. For question 3, we're simplifying surds. So for 1, we'll work over here. We've got 2 square root of 50, and we think about this and we want to think about our square numbers. So 1 squared doesn't help us much, but 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16, 5 squared is 25, and we go, wait, 50 is 2 times 25. So it's 2 root 25 times 2. The square root of 25 is 5. So this becomes 2 times by 5. We take this square root of 25 out, and then we have times by this square root of 2 that is still left here. 2 times 5 is 10. We have 10 square root 2. So for question 2, here we have the square root of 8 plus 3 square root 32. So we look at our numbers here, we go, okay, wait, look, 4. So square root of 8 is the square root of 2 times 4. And we have 3, and 32 is 2 times 16. There. So square root of 4 is 2, and we still have this root 2 left behind. Then we've got plus 3, remembering between this is a times. So here we've got 3 square root of 2 and square root of 16 goes to 4. So times by 4, and we're left with this square root of 2. So 2 square root of 2 plus 3 times 4 is 12 square root of 2. These are both factors of the square root of 2. So if we had 2x plus 12x, we would have 14x. Same, we can add these together. 2 lots of square root of 2 plus 12 lots of square root of 2 will give us 14 square root of 2 there. So now we'll look at question 3. We have 4 multiplied by square root of 45 minus square root of 20. So we've got to think about these ones through. There's here, so we go, well, 9 times 5 is 45. So we have 4 square root of 9 times 5, and square root of 20, we know here, well, 20 is 4 times 5. So here we've got 4, square root of 9 is 3, so we multiply by 3, and we have square root of 5 left. Square root of 4 gives us 2, and we have this square root of 5 left. So again, we have factors of 5. We do our 4 times 3 is 12, square root of 5 minus 2 square root of 5, and we end up here with 10 square root 5 there. So for question 4, we have 2 square root of 6 multiplied by 4 square root of 3. So our other ones here we've had minus, plus, we've had minus, now we've got a multiplication. And we multiply our whole numbers together, 2 times 4, and then in our square root we multiply our square roots together here, so 6 times 3. So we're going to have 8 and square root of 18. Now we can simplify this 18. So 18 is 2 times 9, so we have 8 square root of 9 times 2. So 8 times by square root of 9 is 3, and root 2. 8 times 3 gives us 24, square root of 2.